welcome back! Ngayon guys, syempre, alam mo naman, mayroon na naman kaming kaganapan na naman mga kapatid. Ngayon guys, mayroon kaming baby shower kasi syempre, alam mo naman, buntis yung aming kasama. Kaya maganda kasi yung kapag ano kasi, binibigyan nila ng importansya yung babae, mga babae. Okay, diba? Ngayon, makaganapan kami, magse-celebrate kami ng baby shower ng aming mga kasama di. Diliban muna namin yung trabaho namin kasi may programa daw kami na para daw sa baby shower. Of course, ito yung aking kasama. Hello ka dyan. O, diba? Dalawa muna kami maglalakad kasi yung mga kasama namin ayaw nila pumunta. Kasi kami, gusto namin pumunta kasi syempre may pagkain, diba? Alam mo naman pagkain. Pagkain na naman ang hinahabol namin. Kaya guys, let's go. Ipakita ko sa iyo kung anong kaganapan doon. So, nakita mo yan, yung buntis na yan. Okay? Nakita nyo yan? Siya yung aming celebrate na baby shower. Okay, siya yan guys. Oh, diba malaki na siya na?
Hi!
Hello!
Siya yan.
Oo nga. So, ayun na yung aming mga kasama. OMG! Okay. Ang pagka... Oh my God, it's very cold! So, dito tayo banda. Dito tayo. So, of course, ito yung aming pagkain. What is this? Panipuri, right? Oh, this is panipuri. Oh, ho, ho. Ayun na naman guys, yung aming ano. What's the name of this one? Ha?
This one Belpuri.
Belpuri. Oh, diba? Belpuri daw. Ito na naman yung pagkain. Ha?
This one Sevpuri.
Sapuri. Oh, diba? How about this one?
Corn cheese stick.
Good. This is ano this one? Jollibee, no? Oh, this is Jollibee sweet, Of course, this chicken shawarma. Oh, diba? Yan yung aming pagkain. It's like, nice this one. I like this one. Shala, neta. So, ayan, syempre, ito, lahat kasi ng mga babae. Dahil, ang paborito natin doon. Yes, of course. Cheese daw, may cheese daw sa loob. Parang gusto ko nang sanawin niya eh. Yung lapad. Yung malapad na parang finray, nalala mo yun. Tapos na mga kasama ko. Okay.
We are waiting now for this movie. Okay, we are.
Dito kay Sarah.
First case will be giving you safety pins to tuck on your top or somewhere with you. But you have to notice nobody should use the word baby during the whole celebration. If anybody is using the word baby, you have to take out. You have to tell us. We'll take out the safety pins. Then the person who's having the most number of safety pins will be the winner. Okay? So are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yan po yung pin.
Just listen if someone uses
Ito yung pin daw, yung aming ano daw, yung aming games. Kailangan daw, wag daw magsasabi na baby, di ba? Kapag magsasabi ka ng baby, ay kukunin nila yung pin na to. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag ng games na to. So guys, ito pala yung ano, yung pangalan pala ng aming games ay No Say Baby. Oy, parang bago to Bago to sa pandinig ko na No Say Baby. Yan ang aming games. So, 'di ba? Ito yung pin. Oh, 'di ba? Yan yung aming ano, mga ano kasama ko. Oo. Mana yung yan
Dito na. Pilay-pilay.
Okay, yan dalawa yung ano, dalawa yung aming buntis ngayon Yan sila, dalawa sila. Yes.
Two wonderful moms to be, Miss Vidya and Urvi. Big round of applause. Okay, so I want to repeat that we are playing a game called No Say Baby. So we have given the few of the safety pins to you. You don't have to
Sa'yo na
use
to,
the
ikaw na
word
to.
baby.
Magbibideo
If
ako.
anyone is using and your neighbor is listening, you can inform us and we'll take the safety pins back. So at the end of this event, whoever is having the maximum number of safety pins will be the winner. Got it?
Yeah.
the bottle first will be the winner. Okay? Only the twist is,
Remember not to use the word baby.
and the twist is, there is hole in the straw. Okay, you can see? You can see? Go, you have to start, okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
ये नहीं एंजॉय करोगे तो क्या फोटो निकालो प्लीज
पानी ऊपर नहीं आ रहा है। आ रही है भाई, किसी की भी सकिंग पावर स्ट्रांग नहीं है भाई।
गर्ल्स कम ऑन फास्ट
इसमें टैलेंट है, देख आधे में चालू हो गई।
आधे से बीच से ऊपर से नीचे से कहीं से तो करो
निकालो।
नॉट नेसेसरी इट शुड बी फ्रॉम
टॉप। यस यस, एक्सपीरियंस है, अलमास का एक्सपीरियंस है।
cheer them up यार
ओह वाओ, गुड किलो।
technique put the whole thing in
अभी टेक्निक सीख लो ये सेशन के बाद।
अरे तुम मत बताओ यार उनको
कैसे कैसे बताओ? कैसे बताओ अभी इसको?
straw with it straw only
ये देख। पानी आ रही है। ए भाई, ओए ये ले रही है ये तो मुंह लगा के पी गए। नहीं स्ट्रॉ से किया, स्ट्रॉ से।
अरे she's helping you
हाँ नीरम, you cannot help, you cannot help। दिखा भाई, पावर इतनी बड़बड़ करती है लंच में। पोजीशन नहीं आ रही है, करो। पानी पिया नहीं जा रहा है।
कुछ और देना था यार
विद्या, you want to give any suggestion? 2 bottles पहले होंगी, all 5 bottles to
all
one
5
table first,
bottles
हाँ?
no she's kept half
नहीं आ रहा है, पानी नहीं आ रहा है। Desperation तक बाजी रही है।
अरे क्या it's okay नहीं हो रहा तो छोड़ो कोई तो एक को जीतना है सुना ना मैडम चलो जीत रहे हैं आप लोग जीत रहे हैं
Okay, you have one more minute.
Actually, we cannot prepare this before. No, we say no to size. That's why it's like
Ayan guys, oh, mahigpit na tali yung cucumber sa likod nila. Ah, diba? Nakita nyo yan? Pero hindi ko alam kung anong pamagat ng laro na to.
Okay, we have artificial balls. Okay? Artificial मिलेगा। touch the balls with your hands. Make sure you're pushing the balls only with your cucumber. Cucumber. Okay? When I will say start, that time you have to start. Okay? Okay, guys. No, you have to hold your hands like this.
Ikaw na panalo dyan. Panalo ka na dyan.
Three, start. Hold your hands. Hold your hands. Hold your hands.
Anju go! Anju go! Anju! Bunga dyan! Bunga dyan!
Anju has half ball.
Kaya, patay! Patay na! Ano dahil kaya mo pa? Parang katulad kanina. Yan.
I cannot even see!
Darata. Come on, Nasya! Come on, Linda! Ah, yeah, good, good, good. Ah, sorry, Day. Yeah, good, good. Take our photo, no? Sina Sam, nanalo sila.
We don't want it back.
Ano tayo? Challenge.
Pinawisan.
Challenge eh, no? Ano tayo? Challenge tayo yung laro, Day?
Oo, be. Alam mo yan.
Nang dahil sa'yo, nanalo kayo. Kayo, oo, kayo nanalo. Bontit. Okay, dalawa sila. Yan.
Greek grapes.
Okay, now there is a tie between these two. Please come forward.
Come on.
You have to say
She says cheese. She shakes. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry. I got. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry.
Okay, bad money, mad money.
Bad money, mad money, bad money, mad money, bad money, bad money, bad money, bad money, bad money, bad money.
Bad money, bad money.
We have winners here. Manisha.
Diba? Hindi ko nilagyan kasi nga, ano. So guys, ayun na guys, so, masarap ito. Wow! Ito masarap. Diba? Ayun o, masarap siya.
We have to click photo bus. Creative games. Next time.
Ayaw ko mag-picture. Ito lahat ng mga girls dito sa office namin. So guys, ayun, natapos na yung aming pagkain. O syempre may takeaway kami ngayon. Akala nilo, hindi kami madugas sa takeaway. Diba? Kaya, ayan na guys. Tapos na yung aming pagkain. Syempre may shawarma. May takeaway kaming dalawa. Syempre yung mga kasama namin hindi pumunta. Syempre, kailangan namin dalhan. Diba si Intay, dalawa nga. Maraming shawarma sa kanya. Kaya guys, see you the guys. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much talaga sa laban support nyo kay Yams OFW Vlog. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. See you on the next vlog mga kapatid. And of course, gusto ko lang po batiin yung aking team dyan na Bahay Kulitan. Maraming salamat. Bye bye mga kapatid. See you on the next vlog.